Welcome to InnoRate Platform. This is a user tutorial for small and medium-sized enterprises, innovative projects and individual innovators who use the platform. InnoRate is a Horizon 2020 project aimed at driving the move towards the development of an EU financial system in which innovative SMEs with high growth potential have easier access to the financing solutions required to scale and grow. To achieve this, InnoRate introduces a service platform that allows the effective linkage of innovative SMEs and investors across the EU through objective and forward-looking technology and innovation rating methodologies. The InnoRate platform is used in real operational environments with the active participation of several stakeholder groups, including innovative projects, small and medium-sized enterprises, private investors, innovation intermediaries such as consultancies, regional innovation agencies, as well as technology transfer offices and, where appropriate, big corporates. This tutorial is for small and medium-sized enterprises, innovative projects and innovators who seek self-assessment to build their investment readiness and to access prospective private investors at national and cross-border level. How to use the InnoRate platform? Let's get started. To go to the web page of the platform, please type innorate-demo.ontotext.com and then you press the button Register. A new window will appear where you will need to type your first name, your last name, your username, as well as your email address, and password. Please choose a secure password. Then retype the password you have chosen. From the drop-down menu, you choose whether you're an investor or not. Then you go to the second step of your registration, where from the drop-down menu, you choose the type of user you are. That takes you to step 3, where from the drop-down menu, you choose the company size, the number of employees, the company sector, and you shortly describe your innovative technology. Then you type in your website address, YouTube video address if you have any, and LinkedIn. Then you go to the 4th step of your registration, where you can search for company, and if it is already registered, it will appear in the list. Then you type the address of the company, the city, and from the drop-down menu, the country it is registered in. Then you type in the postal code, the contact number, and from the drop-down menu you choose how you heard about us, whether you would like to be subscribed to the InnoRate newsletter or whether you agree with privacy and cookie policy. That is your registration completed. To sign in, you type your email address, your password, and that will take you to the search page of the InnoRate platform. To search for a concrete company, you type its name, and you can filter by innovation industry, by organization type, by company stage, whether it has completed pre-screening, by economical block, or by country it is registered in. Let's filter a company by its sector, photonics in our case. A list of companies will appear. When you press on the company name, it will show you its administrative data. From the dashboard, to fill the administrative data, you press the button Actions and you choose Edit Company Details. You type in company name, company short description, operating status, and then you choose when it was founded and whether it was dissolved. Then you write the email address of the contact person, the contact phone number, and the web address of the company. Then you press the button Update to remember this information. And then you will be taken to the dashboard where the company administrative data will appear. To do the pre-screening, you choose the Proceed with Pre-screening on the Action button. That will take you to Management Pre-screening page. Please type in the months of work experience in the same company. Then the working years in the same industry of the Chief Executive Officer. Then the years of academic training of the Chief Executive Officer. From the drop-down menu, you choose the level of IPR management and the status of IPR utilization in business. The percentage of management members who hold shares and the percentage of shares held by management members. Then you save the management pre-screening input. Then you proceed with technology competency pre-screening. You enter first the data about the technical staff, the working years in the same industry, the years of academic training for the technical staff. From the drop-down menu, you choose the research and development organization in your company. Then you choose the company's role in research and development projects from the drop-down menu. Then you input the number of contracts for research and development co-projects, the number of commercialized technologies, the number of developed technologies, the number of commercialized products, the number of awards, if any, for the last 3 years, the number of certificates, the number of patents registered, the number of pending patents, the number of utility pending models, the number of registered utility models, the number of design patents, the number of software program registration, the number of trademark rights, the number of other protection rights. And from the drop-down menu, you choose whether the company has a mid and long-term business plan. And then, if it is developed, the technology is efficiently managed according to documentation. And the technology uniqueness from the drop-down menu. Then you save the technology pre-screening. Then we go to the business feasibility pre-screening, where we choose wherever relevant for your company, for in-house manufacturing, for outsourcing, for marketing capacity. Save the business feasibility pre-screening and calculate pre-screening, which will take you to the dashboard, where company scores will be compared to the industry benchmark. If you would like to request a deep assessment, choose from the Action button in the drop-down menu, Request a Deep Assessment. If that is already done for your company, the choice on the drop-down menu will appear as Deep Assessment Already Requested. To obtain your pre-screening report, press the button Export Pre-screening from the Actions menu. You will receive a downloadable file with your company administrative data and a quick assessment report. To compare companies, press the button Compare, choose the industry you would like companies to be compared in, and then choose the 2 companies or more that you would like to be compared. The comparison indicators will appear on your Compare screen. If you would like to search for investors, you go back to Search, and you choose from the Innovation Industry filter and organization type the investors that you would like to be compared. For example, in photonics, this list of investors appears. If you have any further questions, go to our frequently asked questions section and you can report a bug by pressing the red button. That will take you to our Trello board where you can report any bug that you have detected. This was our tutorial. To log out, press the logout button. Thank you for your attention.